Assalamu alaikum. We are doing now pre-commissioning for MCC uh, 23, Skyhook 23. Uh, all earthing wires are secured and terminated. Neutral, secured, tight, and terminated. Outgoing terminals correctly terminated and labeled. Here, all circuit breaker ratings are okay. Manual operation for circuit breaker, okay. Earthing connection for door, all metal parts at the panel are okay. Modification was done on this panel for RCD circuit breaker, for linear light 1, linear light 2, for power socket for down light, and adding surge arrestor to be connected in the incoming cable for the panel. Earthing connection for surge arrestor done here. Neutral connection is done here. Main neutral cables are okay. All devices and components of the panel are completely installed and secured. Also fuses. Now pre-commissioning for MDB 23 is okay.